Hi everyone, here's Teacher Frank for your weekly English lesson online. I hope you are fine, and first of all, I wish you a happy new year to you and your family. Okay, it's really important for me to say that. So now let's take a look on the lesson. Okay, so we continue on Unit 5, what we need. Okay, so first we will make a fast review on the main vocabulary about the nature. After that, as I said last week, we will speak about the differences between a river, a sea, and an ocean. Okay, and we will finish with your book page 54 with a reading session. Okay, let's go. Stay focused. We have a lot of work today. Okay, so we start with the vocabulary. So follow me and repeat after me. Lake, waterfall, pond, ocean, sea, river, wave, mountains, desert. Okay, so you must learn this. It's important. And we continue. And we continue with this session. Okay, so we will read together. Okay, it's important. So first, take a look at the three pictures. Okay, so there is a river, there is a sea, and there is an ocean. Okay, so let's read that first. And after that, as I said previously, we'll take a look on the differences between a river, a sea, and an ocean. Where do we get water from? We get water from rain, rivers, seas, and oceans. The sea, we cannot drink seawater. We don't drink it. The water we drink is fresh water. All living things on earth need water. Our bodies are made up of about 60% water. It helps our blood flow and helps take out poisons and viruses. Okay? Poisons, viruses. Okay? So now, let's take a look on that. Okay? Sea versus river. Okay? The differences. Okay? So first you can take a look around about these pictures. Okay? So you can see a river in California, a river in New Zealand, the sea in Koh the sea in Spain, and the Pacific Ocean on the left and the Atlantic Ocean on the right. You can you can take a look on both oceans, and it's different to make the difference. Yes, it's difficult. Sorry to see the differences. Okay, because it's an ocean. Okay, so we will see after what is it. Okay, so let's take a look on this chart at the center. Okay, so on the left you have the sea, and on the right you have the river. Okay, so let's read that together. Okay, so sea versus river. Okay, so take your time when you read, and if you have some difficulties about this, you can take a look on Google Translate. It will be very useful. Okay, so about the sea, huge body of water. River, I will go left to the right every time, okay? Thin and long body of water. Salt water, fresh water. So this is a big point. Where rivers often end up, flow into seas, oceans, lakes, or other rivers. May come from a higher or leveled area. Come from a higher area. Took billions of years to form. Some may only take several years to be formed. So just take a look on that fast. Billions, billions. It's not millions, it's billions. So take a look on Google Translate, because billion, 1 billion, it's one with 9 zeros, 9, a billion, it's gigantic. Seas are not exactly fluid because of massive water evaporation. Rivers may flood their banks. Where we can find large vessels like ships and yachts can only contain smaller vessels like small boats, canoes, and rafts, as waves which move slower, as running water which moves faster. There are 7 seas around the world, 7 seas. There are about 165 major rivers around the world. Okay, so do you see the difference? Many things. And here you can take and learn some new words as part of your vocabulary. Okay, now let's take a look on difference between sea and oceans. Ocean, many S. We don't have an S. Sometimes the Thai language come, I cannot control. It's difficult, sorry. Okay, so difference between sea and ocean. Sea, lesser depth, smaller area, more marine life. Ocean, more depth, larger area, less marine life. Okay, and you can take a look on the right. A sea is smaller and is partially enclosed land. Ocean has no boundaries. No boundaries. Okay, take a look on that, you will understand. Google Translate, don't forget. Okay, I think now it's clear, you have all the informations. Okay. Okay, so we will read that text as a conclusion. Okay, so stay focused. This is the last page. Okay, let's go. Together, let's go. On Monday morning, Miss Linda asked her students what they did on the weekend. I went for a picnic with Nope, Sawat, and None. Where did you go? How was it? We went to a waterfall. It was very dirty. There was a lot of litter. There were many empty boxes of food, bottles, and plastic bags. There was a lot of trash on the ground and in the water. It smelled bad too. That is a terrible environment. I think people should keep places clean. I agree with you. So let's protect the environment. Okay, so here you have some vocabulary to learn. Okay, so dirty, litter, a lot of trash on the ground, smelled bad, terrible environment. Okay, so obviously let's protect the environment. Okay, repeat that word. I know it's not easy. Environment. Okay, next week we will make a review on that. For next week, this one. Yes, for this week the lesson is over. It's enough. So first, good job. Thank you to Stay Focus. Before leaving you, I wish you again a happy new year to you and your family. Take care. See you at school. Bye-bye.